always played a very important role in disease, humans, rather in any animals, especially in cancers. And with more and more clinically available tests, with more and more laboratories coming up where they're doing genetic profiling, genetic testing, it is being used more and more for cancer treatment. For example, familial adenomatous polyposis coli is a defect in the APC5 gene. So you study that, you know this is a case of FAP when you have 100 plus adenomatous polyps in the colorectum, and then these patients are 100% likely to develop a cancer. So you do a prophylactic panproctocolectomy with an ileal pouch, which is called a restorative panproctocolectomy. So similarly, genetic studies helps in a lot of places after the surgery or even before, especially for familial cancer syndromes, for patients who are more prone to develop a cancer, say for example hereditary chronic pancreatitis, are more likely to develop pancreatic cancer, patients with Li-Fraumeni syndrome, patients with HNPCC. So various syndromes, familial cancers, even in sporadic cancers, genetic studies are becoming more and more used to, one, know whether these patients would need chemotherapy or not, what are the likelihood of these patients prognosis, what are the chances of more people coming in the generations with cancers in these families. They may be the first of the case, they may be second, third, fourth generation of cancers in the family. So genetic studies are becoming very important part and parcel of cancer therapy today.